We're going to do a Halifax Donair today. I'm just going to zoom through. We have sweetened condensed milk, cayenne pepper, vinegar, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, salt and pepper, breadcrumbs, oregano, and of course the hamburger. I'll mix all this stuff together. We've got a pretty good recipe for the donair, which I will take a snapshot of and post here as well. Some of this will break out. This will be for the sauce, the donair sauce, the vinegar and the condensed milk, and possibly a couple others. So we'll start mixing this stuff together. Heating the oven at 300 degrees here just to get ready. We're going to be making this in be more like a loaf, like a meatloaf type of pan. But we're at 300 degrees. Switch over to a mixer. There's some different beaters that we have in there. Just because I think it'll make a more thorough mixture of all of the ingredients and the hamburger. Into the recipe itself, we've got maybe a little over 3 pounds of hamburger here that we're going to use for this. And in the comments down below, I will put all the measurements and what is broken out for the sauce, what is broken out for the meat. So we're going to start with breadcrumbs, and we want 3/4 of a cup of breadcrumbs. I'm going to use just 3 1/4. There's 3 of those. I don't know. It's going to be pretty darn close. 2. Wow. So there's our breadcrumbs. A tablespoon of black pepper. A heaping tablespoon black pepper. 1 1/4 of cayenne, ground cayenne. 1. Again, we got a little more meat, so I'm going to put a little more than normal.
Not that much.
Not that much? Okay, maybe put half of that in. And that's probably it. Don't want too much of that. Or maybe we do. Alright, there's the cayenne. So, we got some oregano. We need 2. Alright, so we get 2 of those.
3 teaspoons of paprika.
3 teaspoons of paprika. There's kind of 1 1/2. Doesn't want to come up. Put some of it back. Alright, I think that is probably it.
2 teaspoons of onion powder.
2 teaspoons onion powder. Let's see if this works a little better than the last. There's 1. And 2.
1 teaspoon of garlic powder.
1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Not sure if you can see how much you can see here. That was just 1. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Yeah, that should be it.
And this should be all the ingredients for the meat itself. Alright, so that's what we have so far. All the ingredients mixed in, or dumped in. Now we're going to mix it. Okay, seems to be mixed in pretty good. We're gonna just dump it out and make sure all the spices are within it. But I think we're in good shape here. Spray a little bit of Pam, but this is what we're going to use. Just going to put the loaf on this. That's going to allow all the fat to drip down inside. So it'll be 2.5 hours, 300 degrees. We'll see how it turns out. This is smelling really good. I'm going to pop it out of here. Looks like it's pretty well done, but I want to pop it out and take a look on the inside.